Hey, hello?
Would probably help if I had a fucking headset plugged in. What's up, man?
Hey,
How's it going?
what an what an entry.
Yeah, I was like, why the fuck can't I hear him?
Not much, and you?
Another day, you know.
Yeah, yesterday you crushed it. I saw it.
Oh man, I've been drilling like a fucking madman lately. Probably gonna do
Oh
the
yeah,
same thing
me
today.
too. I'm doing so much replays, one at least a day. That's fucking help, man.
Yeah, no doubt.
Okay, let's do this.
Alright, so we filled the gap yesterday. Got reclaim below us.
Maybe yesterday you crushed it because I wasn't there.
Yeah, that's a secret ingredient.
Okay, I'm gonna mute myself.
Yeah, see you later. That's funny. No, there's a lot of shit different yesterday.
It was like I couldn't trade the session, but it was kind of very volatile.
Yeah, yeah,
You know what happens?
that's kind of
Maybe
happened.
something up with trade wars or something like that.
Yeah, yeah, that was a big time boost.
Let's see. Okay, we do have some news at 10 even, and that it's, I think. Oh, and FOMC later in the day, but
Mm.
I've started a brand new tagging, by the way.
What is it?
Uh, it was because like since all my trading were based on only one setup, I base all my thinking with that setup. So I had to rebuild from the scratch
Sure.
to adapt to this uh to my new thinking.
Yeah, that makes sense.
But it's based off my stats from before, so it's not from pure scratch. So
Sure.
that's nice. That's okay. You are training right now?
Yeah, just drills.
Okay. Like I wanted to thank you because like for my cats, we went to the vet
Oh,
to see how
nice.
this goes,
Doing better?
and yeah, doing way better.
Fuck
She has
yeah.
like until Friday, we still have the con, and after that, it will be
For
done.
sure. No, that's
So yeah,
awesome, dude. That's always a fucking happy ending. I like that.
yeah. Hopefully it wasn't much.
No, no, of course not. Do you have multiple cats?
Two, two of them.
Oh yeah, they get along well.
They are not loving each other because like she
Sure.
the new one is still in the very like she didn't have like 2 months in it,
Yeah.
so it's very new. So she need to get used to us and our cats. But she like yesterday we slept all together in the same bed,
Aw,
so
that's adorable.
so that's helping.
Yeah, yeah. It takes a while for them to warm up to each other.
But at least they don't fight at scene like
Exactly.
uh, my girlfriend's house, parents' house. They used to have two cats, and one of them used to fight immediately when he saw the other. So,
Sure. That's funny.
so at least they are not fighting. So it's where it's doable.
Yeah, yeah, exactly. That's awesome. This is a weird open. It's very
Yeah, yeah,
tight considering the volatility we had yesterday.
yeah. I don't know if we're gonna mean revert on a higher time frame or not, but
Hmm.
I mean we could. I'm gonna try to buy it below 24.
Yeah, I bought 25.75, and that looked good. I just took it off for four ticks.
Nice.
It sounds contradictory, but I've been trying to get into the habit of predicting ranges more, and it's really been working for me. I
That,
think it's a psychological thing for me because I would rather my trading I think is too reactionary right now. Like I'm impulsively making decisions based on what the price is doing,
yeah.
um, where I should be waiting for the price to do something. Like I should have a level and wait for the price to come to that level before wanting to get in. You know. Um,
I mean, if it sounds more appealing for you,
you've seen how I can be way too impulsive when sharp spikes happen.
yeah, but you kind of fixed that, right? Or not yet?
I did, but I still think it's too.
much.
Yeah, it's kind of like because the way I justify it is like if I try to jump into a trade and it goes without me, I might not feel impacted emotionally, but it's definitely has some effect. You know, a trade went without me. I was too late.
Yeah.
I feel like the risk of setting an order and waiting for the price to come to that order is worth it instead of just jumping in, instead of just getting in. Like I want in now. You know, I would rather set an order, say I'm waiting for it to come back to 24.25. I'm gonna wait for it to
Yeah,
come back to 24.50. You know, like I'm gonna wait for it to come back to 25.
I can relate so much because that's my whole trading basically.
Yeah,
Like you know that I'm very systematic.
sure.
So I need to have like some certain price action, and when it happens, it's my confirmation move, and I need my confirmation move, and I have like a sitting order to
Yeah,
enter the market
yeah, pretty much.
because I know myself, and I know when I leave too much room
Mm,
for too much liberty, I can like fuck it up really really bad.
sure.
I mean, sometimes you can catch some really good move. Like this one, I say to you, I wanted to buy like below 25, 24,
Mm,
and we have like the perfect reaction on it, but I didn't have my perfect scenario entry on it.
yeah, yeah,
So even if I knew that this move could happen, I can't take it because like if I am taking impulsively, I will just fuck it up later. So
yeah. That's my thought exactly too. Like I'm gonna set a buy order at 28.50, and I'm just gonna wait and see if it comes down and fills me.
yeah, on the bottom of the range.
Move it up one tick. Filled. I'll eat some drawdown.
Yeah, you can bottom ticks, but careful because we do have some reclaim to below.
Yeah. So I'm gonna take this off for a one tick loss, maybe a two tick if it'll give it to me. Yeah, I ended up being a four tick loss.
Maybe you should try like in between. Uh, Not yet the sitting order, but a place where you want to execute very fast on it. If you do have some
Yeah, yeah, and that.
intuitive,
Excuse me, sorry.
yeah, no problem.
I think that's like my next step. So I want to do the resting order thing as like as a drill. Like I'm drilling my mind into picking a place, picking a level, and waiting for price to come to it. And seeing my order sitting there makes me not want to touch it. Like I don't want to change it. Because I think my mind is so disassociated with price.
Yeah,
Like I'm trading candles. Like I'm trading the bars. You know, where I should
yeah,
be looking
yeah,
at the price. Like what price do I want to buy at? Um, so the end game, yeah, is to be able to execute with more precision like that. Wait for it to come to that price and then set an order. Um, but for right now, for drills, like I feel comfortable letting the order sit there just so I can see it. Like I can see them. I have an order there. Don't touch it.
yeah.
That's where I want to wait, and it's helped me. I've been a lot more patient the last couple days. At the bottom of the range now. I might set one for 25. Alright,
Yeah,
filled.
I enter 25.50 longer.
Took it off for three ticks. Probably gonna go higher, but just trying to get those reps in. I'm killing it on sim right now. I think I'm up 300, 250.
Nice.
I did a fuckload of drills yesterday, though, man. I probably placed like 200 trades on paper count. I was going hard. looks like we're accepting back into this range. I might try to sell at 27.50.
Yeah, I get out for break evens. But I mean plus one tick, but
Hmm.
he didn't do what I wanted. And it is invalidating me all the way. It's gonna give me information for next step.
Yeah.
But right now I'm more like in between, like it can work, but also hit on me.
All right, filled 27.50. Take it off 26.50. 4 ticks. See, I found that by having those resting orders, I'm catching the fucking mean favor way more often. And
You
it's
make money on that, right?
uh, I'm still on sim. Um,
No, but like I mean in your stats.
yeah, mean revert is a big one for me, and
Yeah.
some of the data crunching I did over the weekend was that, generally speaking, whenever I'm holding a trade, it's like 90% of the time it's a breakout. I'm holding for a breakout, which has very low win rate but high risk reward. But what I was finding is that my emotions going into hold trades were majority of the time yellow. So more than
Yeah.
50% of the time, I had yellow emotions, sometimes red. Whereas scalping, which again, 90% of my scalps are mean revert, my emotions were good, and I had clarity. That's a big one too. A lot of my hold trades were confused and aggressive, whereas my scalp trades are usually clear and conservative.
Yeah.
And while my risk reward was way less, in fact, my average loss is bigger than my average win on scalping, my win rate is so much higher that it negates that, and I could actually be profitable if I was just scalping. Uh, so I'm trying to really fucking hammer that into my brain. Like you should be scalping. You
Like I
know,
think Chewy had the same conclusion and he crushing it. So since he made that conclusion.
yeah, and his conclusion was the opposite, where he was really sucking at scalp trades. If I remember correctly, I could just be making shit up, but I'm pretty sure when him and Fat Cat went over the stats, they found that his scalp trades were like hugely underperforming,
Yeah.
and they had to talk about why. Like it's one thing to find out, hey, I suck at scalping, but it's another thing to say like, why do you suck at scalping?
Yeah.
And that's still something I have to work on. I need to know why I'm emotional going into hold trades, which is it kind of explains itself. Like holding, it's probably either FOMO or like revenge trading. Um, but I still would like to know what's leading up to that. Like what's making me emotional going into a hold trade, and how
Yeah.
can I fix that? Because I want to hold. Some of my biggest fucking wins are hold trades. Like and I'm pretty good at it. Like I can fucking nail. You've seen me nail pretty good fucking hold trades before.
Yeah. Yeah.
But I'm taking too many, and I'm not being realistic about my expectations. Which is something I got to work on. But in the meantime, get the fucking scalping down, dude. Just keep scalping.
Yeah, I think it's a good call. I mean, you need to master both, to be honest.
Exactly. Yeah, one before the next. And prop firms like SMB, they they teach scalping first. Start on the lowest time frame and work your way up. And it's like if I'm trying to push these holds just to go for like multi-point moves, that's higher time frame. I need to get consistent on the low time frame first before I try to move up. Kind of range expanding here. What did I just do? Kind of chop walking up out of this range though, which kind of looks like it wants to break out. I might try to trade this micro range. I'll try to get long, maybe 28.75. But it might just fucking fly here. Yeah, I think that's breaking out. Alright, well, I'm feeling pretty good about my drills so far, so I'm going to take a little break and then see where we're at about switching to live. So,
Okay.
I'll be back in a couple minutes. What's up, gentlemen? Oh.
Just me and you.
Alright, so it looks like we're breaking out. Stocks are agreeing with this move. Might try a cheeky little bid here at 42. Oh, I gotta switch to live first.
I'm gonna try to buy it below 42. Yeah, my setup keeps working, but I can't have my perfect entry. Like,
Mm.
I have another method to entry, but in one replace it fucked me up really bad to do it this way. But right now it keeps working at the first time every time.
Mm.
Kinda don't really know what to do right now. Yeah, cause like keep happening and keep winning. But yeah, at the same time, every time my setup happens, I was right about the trade, so might need some adjustments. I'm up $50 right now, so
Nice.
not yeah, barely trading right now.
Alright.
Yeah, I'm just keep having my setup going without me. So.
Yeah, I
But
feel
at
that.
the same time, I'm confident on my setup because I keep saying them keep working.
Yeah. Yeah, you're getting
Like
the mental confirmation.
yeah, and I made a quick replay session just before the session,
Yeah.
and I made like 1K like 45 minutes. So
Nice, dude. Fuck yeah.
I didn't pick up the day, so it like a random day, and yeah, this trade would have been really great. I think I might have to take some risk and trade it at the first signal. Yeah, that's a little bit frustrating, but okay though. I know I have edge at least.
Yeah. I like this micro range. I might try bidding at 50-50.
Where do you want to entry?
50.5.
Okay. Yeah, for me, I wanted to buy below 50.
Touch, no fill, filled. Take it off for 3 ticks there. Nice.
Nice.
Starting things on a good note.
Nice trade.
Thanks.
Yeah, I need to see it break below 50.25. Okay, there we is. Jesus Christ.
That was a monster move. What's going on here?
Okay, I got filled right away.
There's no way that was technical, was it?
Yeah, that was technical.
Try bidding 50. Filled 50. Take it off for 3 ticks. Kind of looking like compression to the downside here. Tempted to take a short, but it's a good thing I didn't.
Yeah, it's just raging right now.
Yeah, I don't know. I'm tempted to take a mean revert short here, but we're so close to high today, and we've just been uptrending all morning. I'll try 51.50 for a short. Touch no fill. Touch no fill. Filled. I'm gonna take this for 2 ticks if it'll give it to me.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I'm
2
gonna.
tick win.
I wanted to play like a hold.
Mm,
Yeah, but since we are raging a little bit way too much for me, I just play this range.
sure. Yeah,
So
that makes sense.
that's enough for me. I know that I could have held this position, but since I'm barely in positive right now, I have to. I still have time to trade.
Yeah.
I'm glad that my setup works. So
Yeah, exactly. That's all you really need.
yeah,
My
I
short.
truly do think like I mean I'm onto something really good.
I think you are, man. I think that's fucking inarguable. Like you're definitely onto something.
Like if I can show you like where I was supposed to enter if I was like a bit more aggressive today, you'll be absolutely blown how I can
How
have like
accurate your mental trades are.
I can show you exactly where I should enter. Like I don't know if you're on my stream right now or not.
I'm just trying to get into a trade of 50, but
Oh, okay, you know, no, don't worry, don't worry. Do your thing.
yeah, it's already gone.
Yeah, my bad, sorry.
No, you're good. I wasn't getting into it anyways. So, all right, I'm watching.
Yeah, since okay, so we do have the open at here.
Mm-hmm.
It's like 350 for me. Like that was my prior area in order to track where we at. And yeah, every time the markets go below here, it's an entry for me potentially.
Sure.
So we do have this one. We do have like I took this one but didn't hold. I get up at 1.6, and then I try to short because like when I have like one area here and one area here, way below,
Yeah.
it's a kind of change of character, so I need to switch my mind. So that's why I shorted here. But when I saw that I was wrong, the market keeps trending up. I do have an entry here, and then another entry here.
Wow.
That's where I take it.
Oh,
Another
fuck
entry here,
off.
another entry here.
Yeah, right, dude. Oh, there's no way.
Like
That's
that.
funny.
If I was a little bit more aggressive today, like this one I couldn't enter. Like I have no entry at all. But in this one I could have enter right here, just after the reaction on these spots.
Have you thought about and this is just like my hypothetical mind speaking, but have you thought about for trades like those doing just one lot and just like eating the
Uh,
risk like that? If you just set a resting limit order there and you got filled, you'd probably eat like 8 to 10 ticks of drawdown.
yeah,
But you could,
but today it's fine. Other days are not fine because like sometimes we do have like it breaks the level
sure,
and it just keep running a lot, create a big ass reclaim, and then we do have my setup to enter, and we do have like a really big
yeah,
setup,
I
and
get it.
I do, and for me it's not good enough because I really do need to. I want to enter full size and be as precise as I can
Sure, no, that makes
in order
sense.
to have some really big trade. So
Yeah,
yeah, I would have been take profit on here almost.
no, that makes sense. I think that checks out for your system.
And yeah, and my area is not only for that's my main setup, like range fast run,
Hmm.
but I use them also to track the current market trend.
Yeah, yeah, that makes sense.
So as long as my range fast run keep working, I'm still in an uptrend. And immediately when they stop working, and we do have like range fast run breaking and create new lows, it's for me the sign for short.
Yeah,
And yeah, more like a system is like it's helping me to always be with the market.
exactly. Yeah, yeah, that makes
And
sense.
that's what's the more that's what makes me feel like that vibrate with me working
Sure.
this way.
No, that makes a lot of sense.
Yeah, I would have been to take profit very good. But at least I know that it's keep working. It's working on my replays. It's work on the session. So oh, I didn't tag this one by the way. Trend break. Trending.
Try 53.25. I think I'm too late though. I should have had a resting order there.
Yeah, I'm gonna try to buy it below. Uh, I mean, it needs to break 51.75 for me.
Hmm.
enter. But you still have like really good momentum.
Yeah, I'm gonna pull
I'm
that. I just don't want it to come down too fast on me. I'm gonna try an aggressive 54.25, but it's gotta move quick if it fills me. Try to play this micro range here. Touch no fill. Oh, that's frustrating. That would have been a great trade right there. I'll leave it open for a second. Alright, filled. I'm going to take this off for break even. I didn't like that downward compression right there. Yeah, good thing I
Yeah,
did.
good call. Good call. Okay, it breaks my level, so now I'm gonna try to find a way to enter. Yeah, I've got a resting order at 51.25.
I got 51.50. Touch no fill. Touch no fill. Oh, fuck. Alright, I'm filled. I don't know about you.
Not yet.
Hope it fills you. I hope we can go on this run
I
together.
can feel.
Or get stopped out together, whichever comes first.
No, I don't think so. Let's see. I mean, you can have at least some momentum. For me, it's different because I'm trying to hold this trade, so
Sure. I'll take 52.50. Nice. 4-tick win.
nice, good job. Yeah, I'm gonna try to hold it to the low, to the last high.
It looks good, man. That's a picture perfect reclaim.
I mean, that's my setup anyway, so I need to play it as it is. I kinda like these bottom ticks, if it is a bottom ticks.
Yeah, it looks nice.
Yeah, I think that sounds good right now. With these bottom ticks. I might do need to... Yeah, I don't know, I'm gonna hold it as it is.
It's kind of creating a little micro range down here.
Yeah, that's what I expect. That's why I enter at the lows.
Sure. I'm going to try bidding 51, but I'm not sure it'll see that price again.
Okay, so far so good. I can reduce my risk a little bit.
We'll try 51.25. Give us the same average. No, not quite. Try 51.50 again, but it looks like it's gone. Touch no fill. Oh, that's frustrating.
Maybe, I don't know.
Try 51.75. This is kind of mid-range here.
Yeah, I'm gonna take it off right now. So far, so good. I'm not gonna like I'm not trained for this extended range.
Sure.
I like I rather see immediately some momentum. So
Yeah, that makes sense. You also try to leverage back in at a lower price.
I'm not gonna re-entry by the way, because like the last my last area is pretty close to this one. So
Sure, that makes sense.
but it can work. So anyway,
I'm pretty salty I didn't get filled at 51.75. They fucking touched it.
yeah.
That would have been a great trade. Instant momentum.
Yeah, I'm satisfied with this trade. Fine enough.
Yeah, it's a good trade, man.
He had me really good, so not gonna complain.
Yeah, yeah, no kidding.
How much was it? It was, yeah, 10 ticks.
Nice, dude. Fuck yeah.
10 ticks on 2 lots. It's pretty good. I'm up to 5,000, 500, no, my bad. Always mess up with the numbers.
Filled 52, but it instantly gave me some drawdown. Could work for me, but it's got to reclaim fast.
Yeah, it's getting tight in this area.
I'm gonna take it for 2 ticks if it'll give it to me. 52.50. Touch no fill. Take it for 1 tick loss. No, stopped out. Damn.
Yeah, that's why I'm not a fan of extended range like this.
Sure.
If it breaks 49.50, one tick below it, I'm gonna change my. It's gonna change the character for me.
Mm-hmm.
But when it's uptrending really hard like this, you can just V out. So I need to be careful with that too.
Yeah, that's true.
It's part of the game for me. Being trapped with other participants.
Yeah, that's fair. Alright, I just got filled 50.75, but it's getting too choppy down here. I took it off for break even. It's getting tight and like it almost looks like it's compressing down here. Whereas in the
Yeah.
past it's been very sharp when it comes down.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm glad I exit at the right place. Okay, it's breakup, so I do have to change the character right now. But at the same time, we are kinda near the lows, near the highs. Not quite, actually. Yeah, I'm gonna take my time on this transition. I'm always getting fucked when the market just changed like this.
Yeah, it's a definite change in character.
Yeah.
Kind of setting up to be a V flush here.
Yeah, I just need to be careful about that.
Yeah, I
That's
don't
why
want.
I'm not gonna entry on this signal.
Yeah, because the price action is still the same. Like it's still really tight and like whippy almost.
Yep, yeah.
I
And
don't
we
like
still have rooms to get to go for a top tick
it. Oh,
on
plenty.
the higher time frame.
Yeah.
I think the top tick is above 70, so yeah, we still have rooms.
Alright, I'm gonna
I'm
try
gonna take it.
48.
Yeah, I'm gonna wait for the next signal to the short side if we do have ones, because I'm always getting fucked on these V's. And that's really looks like a V's right now, so.
Yeah, I think 48 was a good buy. I was just a little too late. I'll pull that.
Yeah, good thing I didn't enter shorts.
micro range to set up here.
Yeah, that gives me extra information that the uptrend is really solid, so.
Yeah, big buyers down there.
Because like for me it was a change of character, so if sellers were really here, they need to push it, so.
Yeah.
And since they getting smashed right away, is that give me information?
Alright, I'm long 50.75. I kind of want to push this for like a 5 tick if I can. I'll take it off here. 52.50. Nice.
Nice, good trade, no. Perfect set trade.
7 tick win. Yeah, I'll take that.
You didn't quite wait for a green candle, but like it kinda is. I don't know.
Yeah, it's hesitation. I would say.
Yeah, it's stalling. So
Kind of hesitated there, and I had the confirmation of us like we cleared that previous V flush.
yeah.
So it's kind of
Big
doing
time.
the same thing, just on a micro time frame. Like I bet if I pulled up a 1 second chart, it would look like the previous V flush.
Yeah. I think I'm gonna mark a different color on this V flush. I need to exploit them at some point. I'm gonna try to enter below 51.75. Okay, break it. Okay, that's good.
Alright, I'm long 51.50. I'm gonna take this off here. 4 tick win, 3 tick win. Yeah, got it.
Nice. Yeah, I have a resting order at 51.75. Let's see if I'm gonna be filled or not.
I'm gonna take a quick peek at my P&L just because I want to see if I'm near profit target. Oh, I'm above profit target.
Yeesh,
I'll take
good
it.
job, man.
Yeah, I think
We
that's my
take those.
session. Hell yeah, baby, let's fucking go.
Good job, man.
Thanks, dude.
Yeah, I got filled. Let's see if we gonna get the highs. Because since we V flushed here, it gives me extra confirmation for this signal.
Yeah.
But at the same time, I can be pushed a little bit lower, so I'm willing to take a stop loss on it. Yeah, if it's gonna range around here, I will hold it all the way. Yeah, I got stop out on this one, but my signal is still here, so
Yeah.
I'm gonna try to re-enter 50. And that's my last chance for this setup. Feels bad.
Yeah. That's fair.
I can be filled. I can still be filled, I think. I mean, it's not so bad. Yep, I'm not gonna get filled sadly. Ah, jeez.
Well, take pride in the fact that that fucking setup worked and it was beautiful.
Yeah, but I mean, it's keep walking all the way. It's almost like 100% win rate right
It
now.
is, dude. It literally is.
So yeah, like I said to you, like some session, the early entry like I did
Yeah,
works, works before the session, but this one didn't work. So
sure.
and I needed to wait for the second signal, but at the same time, even if I waited for the second entry, I wouldn't have been filled anyway. So.
Yeah.
But still, like I have ton of other setup anyway, so
Yeah.
it'll be okay.
Well, that makes sense. No, it kind of reminds me of I used to have this I used to have this strategy back when I tried to develop like systematic strategies.
Yep.
Um, and one of the um, one of the conditions of the strategy was every time price dipped below the 50 moving average and then reclaimed it within I think it was like 2 to 3 minutes.
Yep.
It was a buy, or if it was downtrending, it would be a sell. And it
Yeah.
worked amazing on trend days like today. Like I would consider today a trend day. And it actually had like super good potential for a systematic strategy.
Yeah.
The problem was it isn't compatible with funded accounts because
Yeah.
there's the rules, you know.
I mean, for my system is a little bit different because like since I started trading, I'm always trade with barely anything on my charts.
Sure.
Like just candles basically.
Yeah. Yeah.
And I keep seeing different setup or and since I'm like I think it's now 6 months since I trade with 3 second shots.
Sure.
I'm starting to seeing those too, so that's why like I I, uh, I verify them with the my prior tagging.
Yeah.
Like I found edge on it, so now I do have like a really good system I think
Sure. Yeah.
to trade.
You clearly do.
Like I keep predicting the the lows.
Yeah, dude. Literally, like almost
Just
to the tick.
I just can't execute on them perfectly, but it's okay though.
Bam. I sent a picture of my what my chart used to look like.
Oh yeah, yeah. Where did you send it? Oh, okay.
The chat.
Oh yeah, okay.
So you can see the pink line is the moving average,
Yep.
and then the black line, like the straight
Yeah.
rigid line is fuck, what's it called? Um,
Maybe think about a super trend or something like that.
trailing ATR. So it
Okay.
trails the current price by X ATR, whatever your ATR is. So what I would do, what the strategy was, is if it dipped below the MA and then reclaimed, it'd be an instant buy, like a market buy. It doesn't matter what your average is.
Yeah.
And then the stop would trail on the ATR trail. So you could see how if you're just market buying and then you stop trail, most of the trades were winners. It had a super
Yeah.
high win rate. Um, but again, it was just like, and it was simple, which is really nice. A lot of these systematic guys go for simplicity, which is good, but it also means that when the market changes, like this wouldn't work on a mean revert day. Like
Yeah,
you'd get
yeah.
fucking murdered on a mean revert day, but on a trend day, you could fucking kill it.
I mean, today is not quite a trend day, but the mean revert is so big that it's almost trend.
Exactly. It's like it's creating its own. It's mean reverting on the 10 minute, but it's trending on the 30 second.
Yeah, basically. I'm gonna try to buy it below 50. 56, my bad. Not quite. I really do need to break 56. Okay, that's it. I'm gonna retry an early entry. Let's see. You're really tight here. I'm gonna try to exit. Yeah, I exit for ticks. I really don't like how it's tight here. I'm not gonna risk 8 ticks for only 8 ticks, so
Yeah, I get sketched out when it's super tight near high of day or low of day.
could have been a really good setup, but yeah, it's too tight for risking money on it.
Yeah, I would agree with that for sure.
And since I had stopped out the last trade, I need to bankroll a little bit, but I'm really good on the day so far.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, my trading is really solid right now. Maybe if I do have another scenario here, we try it. Or maybe, yeah, no, I'm gonna try it. Let's see if I'm gonna get it filled. Yeah, I'm filled. Now it's good risk ratio. Yeah, I do have a bad feeling on this one. I'm just gonna get out for 1 6. Yeah, good call.
Nice. Yeah, that was an excellent call.
Good fucking call. It was kind of weird, like we couldn't exit right away. I mean, this could be a bottom ticks from this prior range. So,
Yeah, yeah, that's true.
but at the same time, I don't want to risk it.
No, and it looked like it was starting to struggle to take the highs.
Yeah, a little bit.
Like the peaks are a lot more condensed, kind of. Whereas if you scroll back to like half an hour ago, the peaks are very clearly defined and sharp.
Yeah, like I suspect like a bigger range right now,
Yeah, yeah, me too.
like between 46 and 58. But let's see. It's too early to say that. Yeah, it's not at the bottom ticks anymore, so I was right about my exit. Good call. How many trades in yeah. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Look that my 7th trade was here. That's gonna be fine here. Yeah. And again, I do have like a change of character right now, but at the same time, he can really flush again. So
Mm,
it's always like this on trend day.
yeah.
We need to be careful and have extra confirmation for shorts.
Yeah.
Are you done for the day, by the way?
Yeah, I'm just reviewing.
Yeah, good, nice.
I actually never ended up hitting my profit target because in pre-market I accidentally placed a fucking trade on NQ,
Oh,
which
okay.
$8.90 because I was trying to drill, and that's a fucking rookie mistake, man. I just gotta check. I just gotta fucking double check. Make sure I'm on sim. Fucking
It feels like
dumbass.
I hear you always say that.
I know, fucking idiot, man. God damn. But that's okay. I'm still fucking really green on the day, and I was just like maybe $20 short of target.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
that's a win in my book. You know what I think my best trade of the day was?
Which
Um,
one?
Getting out for break even right before that drop.
Oh yeah.
That was my best trade of the day.
I mean, yeah, that's the best call, I think.
Yeah, yeah. Sometimes your best trades are the ones you don't take, and fuck, I'm glad I got out of that one.
I mean, you took it, but you
I
exited at the
took
right
it, but I
place.
got the fuck out of it.
Yeah, good call
Shit.
though.
Yeah, I'm so glad I got out of that trade.
Yeah, I'm really glad for my last trade too. So
Yeah, that
almost the
one,
same.
that was a good save, dude. That was a good save.
Okay, so break it 51.75, and I need to. I'm gonna let this setup go without me whenever it goes because I need confirmation now.
Sure.
We are a bit in between right now. I have mixed signer, so not gonna take it. I mean, and the good thing about my trading style is because since I'm trading only with candlestick, I can replace like all every day I want
Nice, dude. Yeah, that's
because
huge.
I don't need to check for correlation or order flow or, or
Yeah,
whatever.
yeah. Just raw price action.
Yeah,
That's awesome, dude.
I don't know if it's the right way to do it to do that, but
Well, it's
I
fucking
don't know.
working, dude. It's clearly working.
Yeah, so far so good. I'm gonna try to finish this combine again, and then I'm gonna switch to some lives, I think.
What do you mean?
Because you know that I passed the combine like
Yeah.
in prior weeks, and I'm not trading it because like I need more practice.
Oh, sure. Yeah, I hear what you're saying.
And yeah, I need to have an extra confirmation about passing another combine
Sure.
to make sure that I'm ready.
No, that makes sense, man. I would
I
totally
do
get that.
I do have some progress to do with my psychology and my mindset too.
Yeah. Yeah, that's
I
for
still
sure.
have like scarcity mindset, to be honest.
Yeah, I think we all do. It's that's a tough one, man. That's a tough one to beat.
Yeah. On Tria, I trade only with top steps. I don't know why, to be honest. I mean, I had a payout from them before. That's maybe why, but
Sure.
other than that, it's only the only reason I'm with them, I think.
Yeah, I think that's fair. I mean, They're all trying to fucking take your money, but at least Top Step is they've proven that
Are
they're
very serious.
well, they've got the liquidity to pay out, you know.
Yeah.
And that's all that really matters. They can be fucking scammers, they can try to take your money, but as long as they've got money to pay you out, I mean that's really all that fucking matters.
Yeah, and the second thing is like is their customer service is really good,
Yeah, they've got
very reactive.
awesome customer service. That's me with the Futures Desk. I'm really happy with the Futures Desk right now. Although I don't expect, like, if I do get really consistent, I start actually like pulling in P&L. I think the trade-off is I'm gonna make a lot less money with the Futures Desk. But who gives a fuck? I don't care about the money right now. You know, I just
I
care
mean,
about the
you're a prop
consistency.
trader, so
Yeah,
you're a prop trader from Fat Cats, and he require you to get on this program, I think.
not required, but he would like everyone to switch over to it eventually.
So yeah, I mean, yeah, it's a good thing that you just go for it and train before.
Start early. Yeah, exactly.
Yeah,
And there's nothing to lose. I mean, they're a great fucking company, as far as I can tell.
yeah. Okay, let's see if it's gonna V's or we gonna down train at this point. Could have like a really good shots around here, but it's not good enough. I really do need to catch like the beginning of a new trend. That's how I like my trading. So
Yeah.
oh, they do have like a starter, popular, and premium combine,
What do you mean?
something like that. On the future desk, I'm checking I'm checking it.
They've got a lot to offer, but it's much more expensive. Like I had to go for the cheapest of the cheap in terms of their plans.
How much it is for the cheapest?
Um, I think there's like a cheap one that you can get for $80.
Okay,
The one I
right.
did was 100, and then when I
Okay.
pass, I have to pay another 60, I think.
Oh,
Um,
it's okay.
but there's an
60 is
option.
good.
It's not bad. There's an option to pay it all at once.
I mean, when you activate something on TopStep of another account, it's like 140. So
That's true. Yeah, yeah,
that's it's not quite. It's not that cheap. It's not that expensive though.
yeah, yeah. It's not crazy, but the trade off is I can only trade 2 contracts. I have a limit of 2 contracts. Um, my profit target is 2,200, but my trailing stop is 1,250. So
Yeah.
it's like a 1 to 2 profit to risk, and then my daily risk is capped at 500, which isn't
Okay.
horrible. It still gives me a lot of breathing room. Um, and then they prefer for you to hit, and I have to trade 12 days, which I don't give a fuck about minimum days.
Yeah.
Um, but the way that works is if you exceed your profit target, um, they raise your profit target for the next day.
Oh.
Um,
Oh, that's nice. I
yeah,
mean, that's you need to be consistent
exactly.
no matter what.
Yeah. Um, at this point, the futures desk is cheaper than Top Step, right? I'm not
Yeah.
sure. I
Yeah.
think Yuki just confirmed
It
that.
is. It is. Yeah, it is because like it's $50 to like for 50K account. It's $50, and if you passed it, it's like 140. So
Sure.
almost like $200 for the whole.
Yeah. Yeah. I think the trade off though is that um, the futures desk wants you to prove your consistency over a much longer time frame. Whereas Top
Yeah,
Step, I feel like with Top Step, if you're a real fucking degenerate gambler,
you can.
you can get a payout pretty quick, right? Within like a couple days.
Yeah, but you can just like since the combine is only $50, you can just like keep.
Yeah, you
keep
can keep spamming.
gambling. Yeah.
Yeah, the futures just won't let you do that. You're not allowed to trade and reset on the same day, which makes sense.
Yep. Definitely. Okay. Okay. Wait. I do have some clarity back now. I'm short biased right now. Yeah, the V's were very weak, so good call. I'm gonna switch up trade idea. I'm gonna do mean reversion. Above, down trading, V weak. And since we are very at the beginning of this maybe range, maybe trend, I'm gonna trade for hold. Let's see. Maybe not. I don't need to force anything because like I already made the targets today, so
Yeah. Alright. I'm gonna get through the rest of this review because a new game I've been wanting to play just came out.
which one it is?
Kingdom Come Deliverance.
I don't know about this one.
Oh, it's really cool.
Kingdom.
It's the game
Oh,
developer out of Prague. Um, I played the first one. The second one just came out.
okay.
I'm super excited. It's like a classic like RPG.
Yeah, it's looking nice.
Yeah, dude, it got really good reviews. It's like a 9 out of 10 all across the board. So I'm excited.
It is hard, like almost like a Dark Souls, or
Kinda, it is. It's very the learning curve is very steep.
okay.
It's not meant to be like a fucking die respawn kind of game like Dark Souls.
Yeah,
Um,
but it do have like a skill cap.
yeah, yeah, definitely.
Uh, yeah, okay. It is V's again or not? Let's see.
Oh wow, it actually did mean revert. Yeah, I was expecting it to break down there.
Yeah, me too. That's why I need extra confirmation, but at the same time we're still on this range
Hmm.
almost. Yeah, that's a V's right here. This one is a V's. Good thing I didn't have a setup. Yeah, we still have some room for to the upside little bit, like 20 points or so. Okay, I'm long by Israel again now. I'm not gonna buy the first signal since we have like a really big reclaim. Okay, that's it. Let's see if you can push lower or not. I'm gonna let it go without me if he goes right now. Not gonna chase it.